I hate life, I hate people, all I want to do is record a video. Hello everybody, my name is Gary Potter and welcome back to another video, guys. Today, in this video, we're here playing a new game called Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. I first saw Stampy Longhead or Stampy Longnose play this years ago, and I fell in love with this game. It was meant to be played with controller, but as we know, I don't own a controller, I don't play with controllers, and all of that. So I'm on mouse and keyboard. And the controls are kind of awkward because this game you control two characters at the same time. So I don't know how that's gonna go. I'm hoping that I get the hang of things a little later on, farther down the road, because at the moment, I know at the beginning I'm gonna struggle with this so much. The music in this game is gorgeous, and at the moment, I'm not having the best time right now. I don't know why, I'm just not in a good mood, and I'm really hoping that just recording a video, especially this amazing, gorgeous, phenomenal game, will appease my emotions. So let's just start. I don't think that they speak real language in this game. I think it's just a made-up language. But look how pretty this is. This is so gorgeous. New game, obviously, because I haven't played before. This series is going to be a little more chill. Siri thought I was talking to her. I'm going to not edit that much because this is a really, really pretty game and I want us to just enjoy it together. I'm really hoping the white noise in the background isn't ruining anything. That's so sad. His green eyes are gorgeous. This game is gorgeous. The lighting, everything. Even though this game is fairly old, it's beautiful.
Nayi! Nayi! Ata! Ata, Nayi! Ata!
Is that... Is that our father? Sorry. Hang on. So big brother is space and little brother is right control. I don't know how that's gonna work. I think right control is my pause. Shoot! I changed my pause button, so hopefully that won't mess with anything. And I also turned my AC on low, so hopefully there's not as much white noise in the background. If there is, I apologize. I really can't do much about it. Okay, let's just go. Is that all it gives me? Oh my gosh, this is so awkward. I can't turn. Are they turning on their own? How do I move the bigger brother? Oh, that is so awkward. I really wish you guys could see my fingers right now. Because it's literally, one hand is on WASD. The other one is on space, right control, and the arrow keys. This is literally finger twister. This is so awkward. Maybe if I switch it so that the little brother... Okay, that's a lot better. So now it's just... Okay, perfect. We're good now. Look how gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm gonna gush over the visuals this whole time because this is a game that I've always wanted to play and I just never found the time to play it. And I should be editing right now, but I gave up on it because I got really bored. And now we're just playing this. I love this game. The visuals are phenomenal. The bigger brother needs to do this. Spacebar. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Da.
Okay, I'm trying.
Atta.
You're the one.
Atta.
Excuse me. Hold it. Why won't you turn? They're kind of moving on their own. I think we need both of the brothers for this one. I don't know. Look at me. I don't know what. Okay. I need to remember that the bigger brother is WASD and the little brother is the arrow keys. How do I get up? How do I don't know how I did that, to be honest. 100% honest with you. I have no clue. Okay, so it's left control. That makes sense. So spacebar is for the bigger brother's way of interacting with things, but then left control is the little brother. I don't like it. Stop. Do I really have to do this too, or are they going to do it on their own? I think they're doing it on their own, but I'm not sure. You guys want to go a little quicker? Oh. The game froze. Why were they so glitchy right there? And then we need the little brother. He's doing it. You just aren't helping.
Hey.
The doctor is in the house. Look at the little boy doing nothing to help. That took so long just to get the dad over here. He doesn't know what to do. Save him! It's your job. There's only one thing in this world that can save him. I can't send you on that journey. Too bad, looks like you're doing it. Go to this big tree on the world, and there you will find what you seek to save your father. You'll find some sage, just put it over him. We gotta do it, brother. Okay, let's do it. What am I doing? I'm sorry, I totally ruined that moment. I won't do that again, because that totally ruined it. Is there anything for me in this house? I don't think so. This is so awkward. Oh, this way. Why? Let me through. Oh, we can show him. Let's do that.
When Hadi?
Rude.
Umba.
Punch him in the face. Show him who is the boss. You're old enough. That is fun. That's fun. The little boy's scared of water.
Iya da. Tabi ana.
He's scared.
Nai mata. Ha? Ah.
Ugh, that was kind of a shaky camera angle. Oh. Little brother, hold to interact. I knew this. He could almost swim. I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Are we going all the way down here? It's so pretty. That was rough, wasn't it? Climb, you two children. Oh, you're so obnoxious. What if I get the little brother to do it? This kid is so annoying. Oh, he kicked it. Space. Okay. That was cute. That was in sync. I need to switch them. They need to be on the other sides because I don't know why, but anytime I play a game, if the characters are not on different, what am I trying to say? If the characters are not on if the controls are not on the side that the character's on, I can't do it. I don't know why. It's just how it works. I can't move because I can't. Okay, looks like we're using my thumb to do the little boy. Oh, never mind. I could have just let go of the up button. Bye, big brother. See you in a minute. Just give me a moment and I will be finished. I'll be ready to go. Can I have this flower pot? Oh. We sniffing things, I see. No. Don't leave yet. If you jump down, hold buttons to rotate the camera. Left shift and right shift. Oh, okay. But head back here. I need you to rotate the camera. There we go. I want to see what he does if he smells it. The little child is aggressive.
Yeah.
Can we go through here?
Hey, Naya!
I just want the little boy to go through here first.
Naya!
Rotate the camera.
Hey, Naya!
Do I really need both of them? Can I interact with everything? That's cute. That's so cute. I want to rotate camera. I'm pressing the buttons. Let me do the thing.
Dia!
What's up here? Oh,
Dia!
no. Climb. No, other way. Rotate the other way. The camera can't tell me to rotate one way. I feel like this is kind of cheaty. Let's head back. Let's jump down. Space. Can we not head back? I hate it when games do that. There was probably stuff over there that I could interact with. It's gonna be the... Yep. You're so obnoxious. Both of you push. with the both of you, you can do it. The little child's the only one that understands. I want to turn the camera, not that way. There we go. That's cute.
Yeah.
You're cute. Hi, how are ya? Really? That tiny little doggy? Are you kidding? He's so... Oh, maybe it's... No, it's a dog. Wow. That's sad. How did I get over here? The little child. I mean, I'm playing both. So I don't know what I'm talking about. But... Nope, you guys need to switch sides. That way. There we go. Why am I getting 10 FPS? I was actually getting 30, but it... Ew! This child. Yes, inspect the well. Make sure it's up to a code, to the standards. You can't have a dirty well. Are you kidding?
Mibuda Miba!
This is... Okay. I want to see what the bigger brother does.
Ilala.
Yes!
Mibuda Miba!
Perfect. He deserved it. There's an old guy. Continuing on our little journey. I forgot that the little brother also needs to move. Running down the paths. I want to go over here.
Lila Mebu?
I get to hold the kitty. Yes. Thank you for letting me hold your kitty. What does the older brother get to do?
Mibuda?
He also gets to hold the kitty. Oh, no. No, he gets in fights with the kitty. Okay. Never mind. I'm sorry. My apologies to your poor little kitty cat. Rotate.
Dia!
No, we're not going that way, child.
Hey. Ano?
Rude. What does the little boy do? Yes! Yes, child. Now will he do it?
Ana? When hadi?
Yes! Now it actually worked. I don't want to go yet. I saw a little path this way. And I want to have fun with things. Whoa. That's a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail right there. Hope you guys enjoyed the thumbnail. Hope you know. I hope that's why you clicked on the video. That was so pretty. Continuing on our little journey. Our brotherly journey. A cutscene. Oh, that cutscene lasted 2 seconds. Am I also going to inspect this well? I am. Am I going to spit into this well? Yep. Ew. That's so gross. Press space. This is also a good thumbnail. I'm getting so many thumbnail opportunities. Nope, nothing. Continuing on. There's a lady over here. The child usually causes some things.
Diana?
Some issues. So let's get him to talk first. Why are you sweeping the dirt? That's doing nothing. The younger child wins. He wins. The shadows too. I broke the game. I broke it. I knew she was a witch. Can I knock on this? Oh, I thought it was a shed. It's actually like a porta potty thing. Ew. That's gross. Oh, wait. Wait. Don't run away. Don't run away. Who are you?
Yeah.
There's a basketball. I need to make it in the hoop. Child, did you grab it? No. Hey, it's mine. Go away. Move. This is my basketball and not yours. Finders, keepers, losers. Okay, I give up. That's too difficult. Aw, this is so cute. Ooh, that laugh's kind of creeping me out, though. You need to stop that.
Ma, when hadi?
She understands it's that way. I want to see what this is, though.
Atta!
It's that way. So if you press space, then it lets you know. Nope, no, don't talk to her again. It shows you which way you're supposed to go. That's nice. Do we go down or continue down? Oh, well, they both lead the same way. So scrap my idea. Actually, I don't know what my idea was, so just ignore me altogether. There's a squirrel. We love squirrels. Listen to how pretty the music is. Is it going to be the same situation? Yep. I'm going to spit into every well I find.
Da!
Fine, we'll go that way. Jeez. So needy and grouchy. There's an old man.
Ona, ah? Da, iya.
Go away. Don't be rude. You rude old grouch. Okay. I like the little boy. He's my favorite character so far. That was really funny. Whew. I need a moment to recover. That was pretty good. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this episode here. If you guys did enjoy this video on Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons, please consider liking this video. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. It notifies you anytime I upload a video. Go follow me on my social medias. The links for those will be down in the description as always. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.